Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to install the pedestal on your brand new Samsung QN90A television. This is everything you're seeing on the screen here is what you're going to need to get this installed. The Phillips head screwdriver does not come with the television, so you'll have to provide that yourselves. But we've got the plastic part that mounts to the back of the TV, and then we have the metal pedestal foot that gets mounted to that. And then to the right of those, you're going to see two sets of screws. They're all exactly the same, so you can't really mix those up. We just have one packet opened right now just to show you what they look like. So at the bottom of this plastic piece, you're going to have these two tabs and then one piece in the middle here that kind of points straight down. Those are going to match up with these three squares here on the metal foot, and all you're going to do is kind of angle it in and drop it into place, and that'll hold it on there. Next, we're going to take 4 of our screws and we're going to put them into these holes here, attaching the plastic part to the metal base. Now once you have the plastic part attached to the metal foot, you should see these two tabs up here at the top. Those are going to line up with these two tabs here on the back of the television. Now you're just going to line the tabs up with those, kind of go in at an angle and then push it down into place, and it'll kind of lock into place. And now we're going to put our last 4 screws in.